So now let us calculate this one from marginal costing. From the following information, calculate PV ratio. First one, break even point sales you have to calculate. Break even point in units you have to calculate. Margin of safety. Okay. So 4 items till this we have discussed. PV ratio, BEP sales, BEP units, margin of safety, 4 items. Then the sales required to earn a profit of 5 lakh. So the required sales, you have to find out sales. Profit they have given us 5 lakhs here. Okay, you have to find out required sales. And then and also profit when sales is 1,75,000 units. So sales units they have given, you have to find out the profit here. Okay, you have to find out the profit. Okay, so they have given us sales 1 lakh units, selling price rupees 80, and then variable cost material, labor, overheads. So they have given the split up here. So everything comes under variable overheads only, variable cost only. So material, labor, everything will change as per your production level of activity only. So material, labor, overheads, everything comes under variable cost. And then everything per unit they have given, you have to find out the amount. Fixed cost 6 lakh. Okay. So first initial thing what you have to do is you have to prepare the statement. Okay, so you have to prepare the statement and then you have to start calculating one by one. Okay. So you can use a single side of your accounts note. So one column you just leave it for particulars, other column for the amount column, cost per unit, either cost per unit first and then amount column. Accordingly, you can just have it. Okay. So mention as particulars, amount column, cost per unit. So one column will be the particulars column. All the detail will be entered over here. Next column will be the amount column, or you can have even cost per unit according to your wish. Cost per unit. Okay. So the first initial item what will come is sales. Okay. Certain times they might give you the sales amount. Some questions they may not give you the sales amount. Instead of that number of units and per unit rate they will give you, you have to find out. In this question, if you see 1 lakh units, number of units they have given us 1 lakh units, selling price per unit is 80 rupees here. Okay, so here they have given us 80 rupees. This question is also available in your WhatsApp, you can check. So selling price per unit is 80 rupees. So you have to put it now. So 1 lakh into 80, you just find out how much it is coming. 1 lakh into 80. So I think it is 80. Unit it may
Ma'am,
per
80
unit
lakh,
column also
ma'am.
I'm maintaining here. Okay, ma. So with this, no, you have to subtract your variable cost. So sales வந்து first subtract பண்றது marginal costingல variable cost only. Variable cost சில questionல வந்து they will give only one detail. Okay, only one detail will be available. Variable cost order detail if you see, only one detail will be So they um yeah, everything you get one you see to it so this keep if one info. Yeah, into just find out how much amount you are getting here itself we can enter and final amount also we can enter here. Okay, so because we don't have a space, so we didn't maintain one more column, amount column. So I am doing every calculation here. So even final amount also you can just find out here. So here 30 lakhs I am getting, and for this 24 lakhs we will get. Plus 24 is 54, 54 plus 10 is 64. So all these things you have to add and enter the final amount here, because everything is put together only total variable cost. So 64 lakh will come. So first let us finish this amount contribution. If you see how much you are getting, 80 lakhs minus 64 lakhs. Okay, so this will be our contribution amount. With this contribution, again, in the this is known as profit. So you will be getting profit of rupees 10 lakh here. Okay. So just now, just we have filled only the amount column. Even you require the per unit column because they have given in your question break even point in units, everything. So, Are you people working out?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am.
Ma'am, voice is not audible, ma'am.
Not clear, ma'am.
So if you see here, you have the per unit value. So 30 rupees, 24 rupees, 10 rupees you have separately for material, labor, overheads. Now everything you have to add. If you add means you will get 64. So 64 you will get. Okay. So 64 if you subtract from 80. So from 80 if you subtract 64, you will get 16 rupees per unit as contribution. Contribution amount is 16 lakh. Per unit if you see it is 16 rupees. Okay. So fixed cost you usually don't have per unit value everything. So just you can leave it up. Okay, so till this only we require, because for break even point we need to find out break even point in units. So for which you require this contribution per unit. Okay, so that's what we have calculated this cost per unit column also. Can you hear? Can you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What about others? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, pa. So moving to the next one. So till this we have to calculate and keep. We have to prepare the statement and keep. Now year after whatever they ask you know, you have to calculate accordingly. Okay. So first thing if you see no, profit volume ratio, PV ratio they have asked you. So what is the formula? Immediately your mind should get stuck with that. So profit volume ratio. So first one, that subdivision, everything, whatever, if it is given in question, no. Okay, because they afford to calculate under 15 mark problem. So contribution now statement you can find out the contribution. So contribution amount if you see it is 16 lakh and sales amount is 80 lakhs. Okay, so 16 lakhs divided by 80 lakhs into 100. 16 lakh is your contribution. From that statement, you have to go through. 16 lakh divided by 80 lakh. Okay, 16 lakh divided by 80 lakh into 100. Okay, you can find out the percentage. So PV ratio will always be expressed in percentage only. So just find out how much you are getting that percentage. 20%, I think so. You also just verify whether so PV ratio formula is contribution divided by sales into 100. So you have to find out contribution and sales from the statement that you have prepared already. So contribution amount and sales amount you have to substitute. Sales amount already you know that it is available in the question. 1 lakh units at the rate of 80 per unit. So 80 lakhs, so 16 lakhs divided by 80 lakhs into 100. So we'll give you the PV ratio. Can you understand? Okay, next is your BEP sales, BEP in units. Okay, so we have to find out that one. BEP in sales, what is the formula? You have to see. BEP in sales, if you see, it is fixed cost divided by PV ratio, I think so. Just go through. BEP in sales, that is your rupees. Okay, so that is fixed cost divided by PV ratio. Fixed cost divided by PV ratio. So let us mention here break even point in rupees illana in sales, whatever might be. Okay, so the formula is total fixed cost or fixed cost. Fixed cost divided by fixed cost divided by PV ratio. Okay, so fixed cost, just refer how much amount it is, actually 6 lakhs, I think so. Fixed cost is 6 lakhs. Okay, PV ratio, if you see, it is 20%. 6 lakh, 6 lakh divided by 20%. Just find out how much you are getting. 6 lakhs divided by 20%. Just find out that will be your break-even point in sales. In sales. Just find out in rupees that one. 6 lakh into 20%. 6 lakh divided by
30,000, ma'am.
30,000. 20%. Calculate 30,000 dana. 6 lakh divided by 20%. 30 lakh 30,000. 20% and 0.20. Okay, 0.2. So 6 lakh divided by 0.2 போடுங்க.
Ma'am, 0.2 போட்டா 30 lakhs வருது ma'am.
ஆமா 20%னா 20 divided by 100 அப்ப 0.2 தானே வரும். So அப்ப 6 lakh divided by 0.2 போட்டா clear 30 lakh. Okay, now you have to calculate for the break even point in units. Break even point in units. So break even point in units formula enna, it's same fixed cost numerator you have to take, but denominator PV ratio badala you have to take it as contribution per unit. Fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. Okay, so now you have to see, so what is your fixed cost? Fixed cost will be given in the question, that is 6 lakh. Contribution, if you see per unit you have to take, not the amount. Okay, so you have to take per unit. So per unit contribution is 16. See a cost per unit column, contribution per unit means the 16 rupees only you have to take, not the 16 lakh. So 16 rupees only you have to take. So 16 rupees you have to take, that will be your contribution per unit. So that is, what is the final answer here, sir?
37,500.
37,500. Therefore, break even point in units is equal to 37,500 units. You cannot mention this as rupees. Okay, so this is units. Okay, so this is the break even point in units. So that is 37,500. So there is one more other formula for this break even point for this units itself. So one formula is fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. This is one formula. One more formula we also have for the break even point in units itself. So what is that formula? Is same answer only you will be getting. So any one formula you can have it in your mind. Okay, so both will give you the same answer only. But anyhow, let me tell out the other formula. Break even point in units you want to obtain means break even sales already you would have found out and kept. Break even sales rupees you would have found out and kept. This break even sales, if you divide by selling price per unit, you will get break even points in unit. Okay, so break even sales divided by selling price per unit, if you do, you will find out break even points in unit. So break even point sales அது வந்து rupees, அது ஒரு formula, அது தனி fixed cost divided by PV ratio. that has got over. Break even points in units, you have two formula. One is fixed cost divided by contribution per unit, that we have done, and 37,500 we have found out. One more formula is break even sales divided by selling price per unit. Break even sales already you would have found out and kept. Break even sales, if you see here, it is 30 lakh. Okay, that you have found out just now. 30 lakh divided by selling price per unit, it will be available in question itself. That is 80 rupees. 80 rupees it is available in question. You just see a break even sales you would have obtained now. Selling price per unit 80 rupees. That is available in the question. If you divide these two together, no, you will find out the break even point in units. Break even point in units. So there are two formulas. One is fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. One answer. Other one is break even sales divided by selling price per unit. Both will give you same answer only. 37,500 only will give both things. But anyhow, this is the other formula for obtaining break even point in units. Okay. Clear till this? So now if you see in this question, we have obtained PV ratio, break even point in sales, that is in rupees. And one more thing, break even point in units. You can use any of the formula, BEP in units, any of the formula. Fixed cost divided by contribution per unit is the most common formula used by all. Other formula is break even sales divided by selling price per unit. That is also other formula. Both will give you the same answer only. You can use any of the thing. You can have one thing in your mind. Okay. So next is your margin of safety. This is very, very simple. Margin of safety, how to obtain that. Okay. So next formula will be the margin of safety. Margin of safety, MOS formula is actual sales minus break even sales. Actual sales will be available in your question. In that statement also you can refer. See here, actual sales is 80 lakhs. Amount you have to find out. Okay. So sales amount, if you see, it is 80 lakhs. Break even sales already we have calculated and kept here. See here, break even sales is 30 lakhs. Actual sales is 80 lakhs. Break even sales is 30 lakhs. So if you subtract these two, you will get the margin of safety. So actual sales is 80 lakhs. Amount you are taking here. And break even sales is 30 lakhs. Break even sales means in rupees you would have found out, no? That is. So therefore, what is margin of safety is? Margin of safety is rupees 50 lakh. So this will be your margin of safety. Okay, so all these formula you have to remember. So PV ratio formula, if you see, it is contribution divided by sales into 100 PV ratio. அதுதான் base எல்லா questionலும் default இருக்கும். Contribution divided by sales into 100 you have to do for PV ratio. With that PV ratio only you are going to go further break even point in sales. So that is fixed cost divided by PV ratio. In units na contribution per unit எடுத்துப்பீங்க. Fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. See here, this one. You can also use this formula. Any of that same answer only you will get. One thing you use. And margin of safety, if you see, actual sales minus break even sales. Actual sales, this one. Break even sales is 30 lakhs, you will get 50 lakhs.